I'm going to show you how you can change your Telegram username in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy and it works on the phone application or the desktop application as well. It's the same process. All you need to do is go to the top left of the screen, click this menu, and you will see my profile. So if you click there, you will see this icon. Firstly, I want to tell you that this is your username and this is your Telegram name. So if people want to search you, they need to put in your username. So this is what we are going to change. So just click this icon and you will see username. It will be @ and then whatever you want. So as you can see here, username lets people contact you on Telegram without needing your phone number. So click there and just put whatever you want to. So you can see some information right here. You can use almost any character and the minimum length is 5 characters. So there are some usernames that are invalid. This is not because someone else has it, but it's because Telegram doesn't allow all the usernames. And for example, if you try something that is taken, you will see a message like this. So in my case, I don't want to change my username, but you just need to put whatever you want to and then click on save. Now if someone wants to search you for your username, they just need to click right here and then right here just put your username so they can put whatever they want, and you will see this is the username and this is the Telegram name. So what we just changed is this thing. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.